Hello, Tia.
So the second diagnosis would be a problem with your RAM chip. The solution is you could replace the RAM chip with a new one. So how you will replace this is you will pull the two pins. So here you have the two white pins. You will just push them to the opposite sides, and then you will just take it out, and this is the RAM chip, so you'd have to replace it with a new one. Okay, Tia, so here I have a brand new RAM chip that you could use to replace the faulty one, and I'll be showing you how to install it. So you would hold it like this at the top, and then you would locate the slot, the RAM slot. So you would ensure that it is set properly, and then you would give it a little force. So you clip one side down, ensure that it is closed properly, clip the other side down. So this is how you would install back a new RAM chip.